Hi everyone, this tutorial is designed to try and show you all how to use your community engagement group forum boards. These are going to become increasingly important in terms of your communication with your group members as we move on through the course, because this is where a number of your assignments are going to have to be submitted. Your group work assignments are going to need to be submitted going forward. So this area you can see is the landing page of the Just Lead site, which you should all be very familiar with by now. You scroll down to the Leader Lab activity section, which is where all of your community engagement related work will always be. You click on it and you scroll down again, and you will see your cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3, cycle 4. Those are all of the tutorials for community engagement, which you will have worked through. You can see that you've worked through them by the ticks on the side here. My cycle 4 doesn't have a tick. That means I haven't read through it yet, but hopefully you will have. For the purposes of this tutorial, I've placed myself in community engagement group 1.1. And that is why Community Engagement Group 1 has a link that I can click on, whereas Community Engagement Group 2 doesn't, and Community Engagement Group 3 doesn't, even though I can still see all of the other groups. They're a bit grey and it says restricted underneath it. That's not a problem because I'm not in those groups, so I don't need to post any information to their forums. So if I want to share something with my group, I click on the forum, it opens up the forum. When you open up the forum, you can see what everyone else has been posting about. It's possible for you to reply, so you can click on discuss this topic and it will ask you to reply. You can type in your reply here. I'm not going to, well, actually, let me just do one here. And then you click this. You can see here, this means that it will only go to your own group members. You click post to forum, and then your reply will appear underneath the original post. So now if we want to go back to the community engagement forum, we cycle back to it. You can click on community engagement group 1. You go to add new topic. Let's call this one interesting links. And you type your message to your group. And then you can copy links. You guys don't have the capacity to hyperlink yet, but your group members will be able to just copy and paste by highlighting the text. And then you can see this is going to go to group 1.1. You post to the forum. It will take 30 minutes. You get 30 minutes to edit it before anyone else sees it, and it will appear here underneath any of your pinned items. So for your assignments, please make sure that the subject is the title of the assignment that you're submitting, and that one of your group members submits here. You will sometimes be asked to comment on the group submission, and that is just to make sure that I can see that everyone is on the same page in terms of what the group is submitting, and that it's not just one individual submitting on behalf of the group. So that is that. Hopefully you should all be comfortable with this. If you do have any further questions, you're welcome to ask. Again, I do really recommend that you use this platform as it's a great way to share resources. You can also upload PDFs or images in your posts, and so it's a very good way to also store all of the ideas in one location that everyone can access.